Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 13, profit and loss. Okay. So one exercise we had completed, isn't it children? So next exercise we will see in this session. Are you ready? See here, this is the content outline, that is profit and loss already we discussed, isn't it? So next one is we will discuss today, that is total cost price and profit or loss. What is meant by total cost price? So in first session we discussed about cost price and selling price, but here total cost price. So what is meant by total cost price? See here. So total cost price means in trading all expenses incurred on an article before it can be sold have to be added to the cost price of the article. Okay, so children, see here one example I will give here. So one notebook you have to purchase. Okay, you want to purchase one notebook. So that notebook cost is what? Yes, cost price of that notebook is 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees, but the shop is near station. So you have to go to station from your home. So that auto charge, that is, yes, auto charge is 10 rupees. Okay, so now total cost price of that notebook is 30 rupees. Understood now? So total cost price means, see here, all expenses incurred on an article before it can be sold. That is what? Total cost price. Understood children? So based on this total cost price, now we will, yes, solve the exercise. Solve this exercise. Understood now? Shall I start now? See here children. Yes, practice set 32. Here only word problem is there. Okay, so 6 word problems are there. We will see one by one. First sum, this one I will read now. From a wholesaler, Santosh bought 400 eggs for rupees 1500. Okay, and spent rupees 300 on transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5. That means 5 rupees each. Did he make a profit or a loss? How much? So your question is that Santosh made a profit or loss we have to find, and how much also we have to find. So for that we have to find first total cost price of eggs. Afterwards we have to find selling price of eggs. Okay, then only it will come to know, yes, he made a profit or loss. Understood children? So see here, from this question here you will find total cost price. See here, yes, rupees 1500, and next one is what? For transport 300 rupees. So total cost price is what? 1800. Isn't it children? So this is what? Total cost price. See here, next slide I have given here solution. Yes, cost price of 40 eggs, that is rupees 1500. Transportation cost rupees 300. So total cost price of 400 eggs is what? Yes, 1500 plus 300 is equal to rupees 1800. Okay, next one is what? Yes, 50 eggs fell down and broke. Okay, so he lost, yes, 50 eggs. So remaining eggs we have to find. Total number of egg is what? 400. So 400 minus how many eggs fell down? Yes, 50. So that means 350 eggs are remaining. Okay, so selling price of one egg is what? Rupees 5. So selling price of 350 eggs, how much we have to find? That means 5 into here what we have to do? We have to do multiply. 5 into 350 is equal to what will come? Yes, if you will multiply, you will get an answer 1750. Understood children? So see here now. Yes, selling price of 350 eggs is equal to what? 1750 rupees. Cost price of egg is what? Yes, rupees 1800. So here cost price is this one, selling price is this one. So can you say now profit or loss? Yes, cost price is greater than selling price. So he made what? Loss. Isn't it, children? See here, next slide. Total cost price is greater than the selling price. So Santosh suffered a loss. So loss, what is the formula? Total cost price minus selling price. So what will come? 1800 minus 1750 is equal to rupees 50. Understood, children? So this is your final answer. See here, Santosh incurred a loss of rupees 50. Understood, children? So this one is so easy. First what we have to do? We have to find total cost price, afterwards selling price. So you have to compare that cost price, total cost price and selling price. So it will come to know, yes, profit or loss. Understood, children? Next one, second question is, Abraham bought goods worth rupees 50,000, okay, and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi, okay, and this is tax, isn't it, children? And the next one is what? If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he make a profit or a loss, and how much? See here, first what I told, we have to write the statement. That means first we have to find total cost price. Total cost price we have to find. For that we have to add, yes, this one, goods worth is what? 50,000 and plus transport. For transport, yes, he spent 7,000. So 50,000 plus 7,000, what is that? 57,000 will come. Total cost price is what? 57,000. He sold the goods rupees 65,000. So this is the selling price. Okay. So cost price, that selling price is greater than cost price. Isn't it, children? So he made a profit or loss? Yes, profit. And see here, next slide I have given here. Cost price of goods, that is, you have to write like this statement. Okay, children? Yes, cost price of goods, that is 50,000, transportation 7,000. So total cost price is what will come? 50,000 plus 7,000, that is 57,000. I hope you understood this one. Yes, shall we go to next slide? Next one is, yes, we got to write the selling price. Selling price of that good is what? 65,000. So see here, children, selling price is greater than the total cost price. So he made a profit. And how much we have to find? For that we have to, what we have to do? Yes, this formula you have to write. Profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Okay, so 65,000 minus 57,000. Your answer is what? 8,000. So your final answer is this one. Abraham made a profit of rupees 8,000. So children, here only multiplication and addition or subtraction, this thing only you have to do. Okay, but you have to read the question 2-3 times and you have to do in a proper way. Understood, children? Shall we go to next sum? Third one is, see here, Ajit Kaur bought a 50 kilogram sack of sugar for rupees 1,750. Okay, but as sugar prices fell, she had to sell it at rupees 32 per kg. How much loss did he incur? So children, see here already in your question, she made a loss. She incurred a loss, isn't it? So loss, how much we have to find? For that, first what we have to do? Say here 50 kilogram of sugar, that is what? 1,750. So here cost price given and selling price we have to find. That means 1 kilogram of sugar, yes, selling price of 1 kilogram of sugar is what? Rupees 32. 32 rupees. So for 50 kilogram, how much she will get? We have to find. Okay, afterwards only we can find what is the proper amount of loss. Okay, children. See next slide. Yes, cost price of 50 kilogram of sugar, that is this one. Okay, 1750 rupees. Selling price of 1 kilogram of sugar, 32 rupees. So selling price of 50 kilogram of sugar we have to find. For that we have to multiply. That means 50 into 32. That means what is your answer? 1600 rupees. Okay, last this formula also you have to write. That is total cost price minus selling price. Understood children? So total cost price is what? 1750 minus selling price is what? 1600. So if you will subtract here, you will get an answer 150 rupees. That means Anjit incurred a loss 150 rupees. This will be your final answer. So this one is so easy, isn't it children? So can you do by yourself? Yes. So children, see here, fourth question is, yes. See here, Kusantai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Okay, and transport cost is what? Transport cost her rupees 1280 rupees. Okay, so total number of cooker is 80 and cost of cooker per cooker is what? 700. If she wants a profit, see here, if she wants a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? So children, see here, this is, yes, total number of cooker 80, cost price, yes, cost price of each cooker is what? 700. Okay, transport cost is what? 1280 rupees. And if she wants a profit, so she wants a profit 18,000 rupees. And your question is selling price we have to find. That means selling price per cooker we have to find. Okay, so step by step I will explain here children. First one, see here, cost price of one cooker rupees 700. Okay, next one is, so cost price of 80 cookers we have to find. That means 700 into 80. Okay, so 7 8s are 56 and 30 we have to add. So cost price of 80 cookers is what? 56,000 rupees. Next one is transportation cost 1280 rupees. Okay, now yes, this one and this one, this we have to cost price of cooker plus transportation charge we have to add. Then only we can find what? Total cost price. So total cost price is equal to cost price of 80 cookers plus transportation charge. That means 56,000 plus 1280 rupees. Okay, so if you will add these two, you will get an answer 57,280 rupees. This is what? Total cost price of that 80 cookers. Understood now children? Yes, total cost price of cooker is what? 57,280 rupees. So I hope you understood this slide. Yes, next one, see here, profit. She wants how much of amount that profit? Yes, 18,000 rupees. Okay, and here which one we have to find? We have to find selling price. Selling price we have to find. Okay children, so profit, what is the formula? Yes, profit formula is what? Selling price minus cost price. That means total cost price. Okay, but here that profit we know, that means she wants 18,000 rupees. And here we have to find the required selling price. Okay, then selling price means what? Yes, total cost price plus profit. Isn't it children? So what is the required selling price we have to find? For that, what we have to do children? Yes, total cost price plus how much of profit. These two things we have to add. Then finally you will get what? Yes, selling price of 80 cookers. Understood now children? Yes. See here, required selling price is equal to total cost price plus profit. So children, don't get confusion here. Required selling price we have to find. For that, what we have to do? We have to do cost price plus, yes, total cost price plus profit. So total cost price already we found, that is 57,280 rupees plus 18,000 rupees, that is a profit. So if you will add these two things, yes, to number, you will get what? Rupees 75,280 rupees. Understood children? So what is the selling price of 80 cookers? Yes, 75,280 rupees. Your question is, what is the selling price of each cooker? Okay, the selling price of one cooker we have to find. See here. Yes, selling price of 80 cookers, that is 75,280 rupees. Okay, now we have to find what? Selling price of one cooker. Understood children? So for that, what we have to do? Yes, this, children see here, for this what we have to do? So children, selling price of one cooker we have to find. See here children, this is wrong. See here, that means here slash will come. Okay, that means 75,280 rupees and upon 80. So cost of, yes, selling price of one cooker we have to find. For that, what will come here children? 75,280 rupees upon 80. That means divided by 80. Okay. So here how we have to divide here? This 0 cut. And 8 ones are 8. 75. How many 8s are there? 9 8s are there. 9 8s are 72. Remainder 3. So it will become what? 32. 32. How many 8s are? 4 8s are 32. And here 8 is there. 1 8s are 8. So 941. So children, again I am telling here how you have to write? Yes, 75,280 is divided by 80. Okay, so like this you have to do division. So children, this calculation also you have to do in your notebook. Okay, so selling price of one cooker is what? Rupees 941 rupees. Understood children? So why we have to find this one? Because in your textbook the selling price of one cooker only they are asking. So the final answer, yes, selling price of one per cooker, it should be what? 941 rupees. So children, this, yes, this sum, what did you find first? Yes, we have to find first total cost price. Afterwards what? Selling price we have to find. Profit we know already. So selling price how we have to find? Total cost price plus profit. Okay, and here cost of 80 cooker is this one. So that means selling price of 80 cooker is this one. So selling price of one cooker we have to find. For that we have to divide by 80. So finally you will get answer rupees 941 rupees. Understood children? Shall we go to next sum now? Yes. So children, that same sum here, okay. Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each, okay, and spent 5,000 rupees on transport. So 10 refrigerator, total number of refrigerator, and the cost price of one refrigerator is what? 12,000. And for transport, he spent 5,000 rupees. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit? Yes, rupees 20,000. That same method. Okay children. See, first what we have to find? We have to find total cost price. Cost price of one refrigerator is 12,000. Okay. So cost price of 10 refrigerator is equal to what? 10 into 12,000. That means, see here children, 1,20,000. So cost price of what? cost price of 10 refrigerator is what? 1,20,000. Okay, and next one is what? Transportation cost, that is 5,000 rupees. So total cost price we have to find. For that, what we have to do? Yes, very good. We have to add this cost price plus transportation charge. Okay, see here total cost price I have found here. Yes, 1,20,000 plus 5,000, that means 1,25,000 rupees. Understood, children? Next one is what? Profit is what? 2,000 rupees. Sorry, profit is what? 20,000 rupees. Now we have to find what? Selling price. So children, see here profit is what? 20,000. Okay. So profit, what is the formula? Selling price minus total cost price. So selling price, say here, now we have to find what? Required selling price. We have to find. That means for that, what we have to do? We have to add total cost price plus profit. Okay. So children, this one is same, that is fourth question. Okay. So total cost price is what? 1,25,000 plus profit is what? 20,000. Okay. So if you will add these two number, your answer is what? 1,45,000 rupees. So selling price of 10 refrigerator is equal to what? 1,45,000. Now your question is what? Selling price of one refrigerator we have to find. So selling price of 10 refrigerator is equal to what? Rupees 1,45,000. So selling price of one refrigerator, what we have to do? We have to do division. Yes. Selling price of 10 refrigerator, that is 1,45,000. So selling price of one refrigerator is what? 1,45,000 upon 10. Okay, so children, this calculation you have to do in your notebook. Okay, this 0, 0 we can cut. So selling price of one refrigerator is what? Yes, 14,500. Okay, children. So Indrajit must sell each refrigerator at, yes, rupees 14,500 to make a profit of rupees 20,000. Understood, children? So children, these two questions you have to do practice. Okay, one time you have to write in a notebook and you have to see that steps. Afterwards, without notebook, yes, in your rough notebook, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, children, simply that addition and multiplication, division only we have to do. Okay, so I hope you will do in your notebook, rough notebook. Yes, first you have to write in your maths book. Afterwards, you have to do practice in your rough notebook. Okay, so shall I go to next one now? So children, now I will complete this session. I will complete this exercise. Okay, so this is last one. This is also that same easy only here, children. Lalita Bai sowed seeds worth rupees 13,700 in her field. Okay, she had to spend rupees 5,300 on fertilizers. Fertilizers normally farmer is adding to their, yes, land, isn't it, children? Yes, and spraying pesticides and rupees 7,160 on labor. Say here, children. Yes, so far sowed the seeds, she spent 13,700. Okay, she had to spend rupees 5,300 for fertilizers and pesticides, and for labor she spent 7,160. Okay, so if on selling her produce she earned rupees 35,400. Okay, what was her profit or her loss? We have to find. So children, it's so easy. First we have to find total cost price. This one, yes, for fertilizers and pesticides, for labor. These three things we have to add. Afterwards what? So you will find total cost price. So next one, based on this total cost price, you will find that profit or loss. Okay, so selling price of what? Yes, she sell her see here, children, produce, yes, rupees 35,400. Okay, so see here, next slide. Yes, total cost price we have to find. So this 3 step we have to write in a notebook. Total cost price is what? We have to add this 3 number as I told. 13,700 plus 5,300 plus 700 and yes 7,160. So you will get answer is what? 26,160 rupees. Okay, that is the total cost price. See here children. So now selling price is what? 35,400. So selling price is greater than the cost price. So she made what? A profit. How much profit we have to find? For that we have to subtract. So what is the formula of profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That means 35,400 minus 26,160. So you have to, yes, 35,400, 26,160. What we have to do children? Yes, we have to subtract. Okay. Yes, I will subtract here. 35,400 minus 26,160. Okay children, 0. Yes, here you have 10, 3. That means 4, 2. Next one is what here will come children? Yes, 9. 9,240 rupees. So she made a profit rupees 9,240 rupees. Okay, this is your final answer. Understood children? So now today we discussed about that one whole exercise. Practice set 32. Total 6 word problems. Okay. So children, this is so easy, but when it will be easy? Yes, when you will get the question clearly, then only this sum it will be easy for you. Okay. So children, as I told, you have to do practice in your home. Okay. Can you do children? Yes. Thank you children. Sai Ram.